Alright, good morning everyone. Hope you're having a fantastic day so far. Today I'm going to be heading over to the Oni railroad crossing for a subway in Japan. Right now I'm at Ueno Station, which is known for Amayoko and the Ueno Zoo, and the railroad crossing is nearby the station. For those who can hear music playing in the background, that is not my background music. There is actually a guy playing a guitar over there on the lower left side. I don't want to straight up film him, but he seems to be having a good time. So I think the railroad crossing is about a 10-minute walk from the station, and I'll talk more details about it once I get there. I kind of forgot that Ueno is only like a station away from Asakusa, which means that you should be able to see the sky tree from anywhere around this area. I don't know about you, but I think the view of the sky tree is better from the view from the sky tree. That crossing seems to be around the north side of Ueno. Oh, what the heck? Whoa, here we are. I don't think that was even a 10-minute walk. That was more like a 6 to 7 minute walk. A railroad crossing. And yeah, it says over there on the left, Tokyometoro. And it says dangerous, don't go inside here. Dangerous. I'll explain more why it's dangerous around here. Look at that. Ah, autofocus. And then the other side is the depot for the Ginza Line. Oh, just when I'm filming this, we're gonna see a train pass by. Okay, this was not part of the plan because I was going to say later in the video, we don't know when this railroad crossing will close because we don't know what time the train's gonna leave or enter the depot. Wow, okay. I don't... Will this video end earlier than expected? Wow. I came at the right time. Yeah, it says it's heading towards Shibuya. It would be kind of dumb if it heads towards Asakusa because that's only one station away from here. Oh, there's a train staff doing some checks on the train. And then he's going inside. This is so cool. This is behind the scenes stuff, man. Well, I'm doing a voiceover for this part because I didn't have time to explain it while filming. The train was about to leave right when I got there and I really wasn't expecting that. I thought I was going to be waiting for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Well, anyway, this is the only railroad crossing in Japan where a subway train crosses a public road. And it is the Ginza Line, which is the first subway in Japan and in all of Asia actually. The crossing exists because they didn't have space for a full-time train yard underground, so they built a Ueno Depot above ground and connected it to the main line with a short track that crosses this street and goes back underground near Ueno Station. You probably noticed the tall gates and fences. That's there because the Ginza Line uses a third rail system with 600 volts of electricity, which can kill you, I think, if you touch it. For safety, there's no power rail on the road, but since the train is 6 cars long and several cars pull power, it can cross using electricity from just before and after the crossing. There's no exact timetable for when trains use it, but from what I read online, it usually happens before morning or evening rush hour. Oh! Started ringing! And it's closing, and the gate's open. And there's a safety staff over there making sure everything is okay, I guess. I don't want to film him. Oh, he's raising a white flag. I guess that means he can go. Oh, this is so cool. I'm gonna shut up for a bit. There's 6 cars for the Ginza Line. And then these gates close. Oh, it closed at the same time. Alright, then the gates open before it turns off. Well, I didn't have much time to look around the area because the train came right away, which is unexpected. But here are the Ginza Line train that's chilling around the depot. Oh, just when I said that, this train has its light on. So there's a big chance it's going to come over here, leave the depot, and transport people around the Ginza Line. Look at that. We get to see the full experience this time. I think this time we're mostly going to see trains leave the depot, but if you come here after rush hour, you'll probably see the trains coming from this side heading to the depot. It's going really slow. Wait, I think it stopped. And now it's going. So it stops and goes and stops and goes. So I saw two of them pass by in about 10 minutes, but that was a really cool experience. It's only a 10-minute walk from Ueno Station, or not even 10 minutes, sorry, like 6 to 7 minute walk from the Ueno Station. So if you happen to be around there, you should go check this place out. If you enjoyed this video, the algorithm thinks you'll enjoy this video over here, so feel free to check that video out as well. All right, thank you for watching, bye bye.